Hi, I'm Wayne. Welcome to XOX Studio. Today I'm going to show you the XOX ES3 high-quality recording sound card. For instructions on how to connect to use and the control panel, you can check out the corresponding tutorial videos. Now let's get to know the official sound effects of XOX ES3. XOX ES3 has 71 official sound effects, including KTV, karaoke, singing, classic pop, auto-tune, hosting, radio,
female, child voice,
and other sound types. We can meet most of the needs. I'm going to show you some of the classic sound effects.
I won't give up, no I won't give in. She will reach the end until I start again. No, I wanna live, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail.
Let me show you the dodge effect of XOX ES3. When I'm speaking, it will automatically lower the volume of the accompaniment. And when I'm stopped speaking, it will restore the normal volume. So don't worry, the audience can hear what you are saying. Well, that's the end of this video. If you are interested in our video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.